Welcome to Math with Mr. B. So we are going to look at this JAMB question 2018. If y equals 23 in base 5 plus 101 in base 3, find y, leaving your answer in base 2. So let's see how we are going to solve this question. So the first thing we are going to do here is to convert to base 10. Then from base 10, we now take it to our base 2. So let's see. Y equals 23 in base 5 plus 101 in base 3. So now, converting it to base 10, we are going to assign some digits here. So here we have 0, 1, then 0, 1, 2. Now, we are going to expand in terms of the base. So 2 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 3 times 5 raised to power 0 plus 1 times 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 0 times 3 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 times 3 raised to the power of 0. So from here we have 2 times, so 5 raised to the power 1 is 5 plus 3 times 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So plus, then 1 times 3 raised to the power 2, that's 9, plus 0 times 3 raised to the power 1 is 3, plus 1 times 3 raised to the power 0 is 1. So from here, let's simplify. We have 10, 2 times 5, 10, plus 3 times 1, 3, plus 1 times 9, 9, plus 0 times 3, that's 0, plus 1 times 1, 1. So we have 13 plus 10. So altogether we have 23. So y is 23 in base 10. Now we are asked to leave our answer in base 2. So we are going to take it to base 2. So let's see how we are going to do that. So we have 23. So we are going to divide 2 by base 2 by 2, considering the remainder. So we have 2 in 23. We have 1, 1, remainder 1. That's 11, remainder 1. Then 2 again. We have 5, remainder 1. 2 again. We have 2, remainder 1. 2 in 2, 1, remainder 0. Then 2 in 1. So that's 0, remainder 1. So now we are going to take the remainders as the answer, from down up. So the answer to this is going to be y is equals to 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 in base 2. So this is the solution to the question. See you next time.